Hey, it's Jennifer. Today I wanted to show you how I highlight my hair at home. So I am using a pink highlighter, kind of brighten up my hair a little bit, which hopefully the spring weather will come. So I'm going to section off the hair, kind of just under my temple area. Make sure there's no hair behind my ears. I normally take off my glasses, but I'm blind without them. So I had to keep them on so I could see what I was doing without having to be too close to the camera. Put on these gloves. I got this kit at like some little corner store. It had really nice a pink highlight kit, so I had to get it. But these gloves were not the greatest. So I like to start by taking vertical sections, and I use my thumb or my finger to do a zigzag. And then I leave a section, do a zigzag, and then I will color that next section. There's my pink color. And then make sure the color gets distributed all through the hair, root to tip. Again, I'll do a zigzag part. I'll leave a section, and then I will color the next section. And with this, you can take larger sections or smaller sections. Smaller sections will tend to blend in, whereas a larger section will be more of a chunky kind of peekaboo highlight. And I just keep doing that all throughout the hair. I've used quite a large section right there. And I'll just continue around my head. These gloves were really slippery, so I couldn't tell if I was actually getting product. So if you see me looking at my hair, that's why. I just could not tell if it was actual product or if it was just a glove sliding through my hair. So I have been doing this technique for a couple years now. I've done it with colorful highlights like these pink ones. I've done it with blonde highlights, with low lights in the fall. And I just really like it. Feel like I have control of where the highlights go, where the color goes. Oops, so I'm gonna take down one more section right at the temples. And it's gonna be the exact same technique, the vertical zigzag sections. And I don't like to use foil on every section. I don't know, maybe I'm just lazy. And haven't really found that the color doesn't bleed into the other hair, for me anyways. But if you would like to use foil, you can definitely foil every section as you go. I've just never, I guess it just doesn't really bother me that the color might bleed into the other section. So there we go, finishing up this side. And now for the top section. So I like the top to blend in a little more. So I'm going to take horizontal sections now. I have thick hair, so I have to divide it into a couple more sections. So vertically, I just, again, take zigzag, make a zigzag part, and then I will leave a section. There I go, showing how I do the zigzag. And then I'm gonna color this section. Again, you can do really small sections, kind of like baby lights. I wanted a little more chunky. These are small, but you can go even smaller than this for it to really blend in a little better. But again, I wanted to show off the color, so make more of a chunky look. Exact same thing on this side. And then the top. So I don't like to go along the part line of my hair, just because, again, maybe I'm lazy, but I've had some issues with the color being patchy in that area. So I just decided to not go in where my part is. But if you're more secure in your coloring technique, then you can definitely go along the part line. Now I'm just going to do this bang section, exact same technique, taking horizontal zigzag sections. Oh, and I took a little too big of a section, so I'll just bring some hair down. And then I'll take a thin, almost like a baby light section out. Just to add some color to the front of my hair. And there we go, our hair is done. I just like to take a look, check out all the, check out the hair, make sure that there's no like bare areas, everything's even. And then if you find your hair's going in your face, you can just clip it off with a duckbill clip. And then here is a look after I've styled it. So you can kind of see some of those highlights showing. Some are a little more blended, some are kind of chunky peekaboo highlights. And I just wanted to show it in a different light. Hopefully you can kind of see those pink highlights in there. So I hope you enjoyed this technique. And if you'd like to see other ones, definitely subscribe to my channel or check out my blog at beautyunder10.ca. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.